First, take a look at this Instagram account. That's making waves. It's boasting 375,000 followers and consistently viral reels. The influencer's name is Aitana Lopez, and she's already a recognizable figure in the digital space. Here's the surprising part. Her starting rate for brand sponsorships is $900 to $1,000. Yet she's not a real person. Aitana is an AI-generated influencer, a perfect example of one of today's fastest-growing trends. Around the world, creators are developing AI personalities like her and turning them into lucrative brands, earning thousands of dollars in the process. Imagine earning up to $10,000 a month by creating your very own virtual influencer. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Fanvue, a powerful platform that gives you the opportunity to turn an AI-generated influencer into a steady income stream. I'll guide you step by step on how to set up your Fanvue account, create your virtual influencer, and start monetizing your content. So, before we dive in, click the link in the description to open the Fanvue website and let's get started. Once you visit the website, simply click on the Sign Up button. You can quickly register using your Google account, X, or Gmail for a faster experience. After signing up, you'll be guided to create your account, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so it's quick and easy for you. First, click on Become a Creator, then select Start Earning. If you have a referral code, you can enter it here. If not, simply click Continue. Next, select your country from the list and click Continue. You will then see an interface where you need to choose your content type. If you plan to upload AI-generated content, select AI Created. If you plan to upload your own original content, select Human Created. Click Continue to proceed. Now, you'll be required to complete a few additional steps. Upload your profile picture. Optional at this stage. I'll demonstrate adding it later. Enter your profile name and handle. Write your bio. For demonstration purposes, I'll add a short sample bio. Once done, click Continue. In the next step, set your subscription price, which is the amount your fans will pay to access your content. For starters, I recommend setting it at $3.99. Now comes the final step, account verification, which enables you to withdraw payments easily. You can verify your account using your national ID card, driver's license, or passport. This process is straightforward, but make sure your phone camera provides clear, high-quality images. After completing this step, another interface will appear where you'll need to perform selfie verification. This is also a simple process. Once both verifications are complete, your profile will be fully set up. Finally, you'll be asked how you heard about Fanvue. Fill in your answer. Click Continue. Then click Finish. You will now see that your account verification process is complete. From here, you can start posting and earn a significant income with ease. Next, I'll show you how to create a virtual influencer for your Fanvue account. Now, head over to the Leonardo AI website. This is where we'll create consistent characters for our Fanvue account. First, let's set up the image generation settings. Under Model, select FluxDev Schnell. It only costs 10 credits per image. In Prompt Enhance, choose Auto. Keep the style set to Dynamic. For image dimensions, I select 9 by 16. Next, paste your image prompt into the box and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your images will be ready. As you can see, our first set of images is complete. Now let's make these into consistent characters. First, click the 3 dots on the right-hand side. Second, select Copy Seed to copy the seed number. Third, go to Settings, scroll down, and open Advanced Settings. Fourth, enable Use Fixed Seed, then paste the copied seed number. After that, return to the prompt box. I'll now make changes to the pose, outfit, and background while keeping the rest of the prompt the same. Click on Generate. Once Generate, you'll see images of the same character in different styles. Perfectly consistent. You can repeat this process to create as many variations as you like. Copy the seed number. Paste it into the advanced settings. Change the outfit, pose, and background. This way, you'll get multiple styles with the exact same character. Now let's move to Fanvue. Once on the site, click Complete Your Profile. I'll demonstrate by uploading a profile picture. Click the profile icon, choose your image, and upload it. Next, let's make your first post. Click Create First Post. Now select who can view it. I'll choose both subscribers and followers for now. Upload your image. Add a caption. Once done, click Create Post. Once posted, then you can now view your post in your feed. It looks great. By following this method, you can easily generate consistent characters and use them to create AI influencer videos. I've already uploaded several tutorials on free AI tools that can help you turn these images into engaging videos. By applying these techniques, you can grow your Fanvue account and start earning a significant income as an AI influencer. And that wraps it up. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. Have a question or need help? Drop it in the comments. I personally read and respond to them. And make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more powerful, game-changing tutorials like this. Until next time, see you in the next video.